Hey, Weather 180 is on the way for the final day of February. Highs in the 50s for the first day of March. Wind chills below zero. We're going the wrong way. Your 7-day forecast is next.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
It is hard to believe, but a year ago today, the high temperature was 70 degrees, the all-time record high for the month of February. It was relatively warm today, but temperatures were running about 25 degrees colder this year compared to last year, with highs mainly in the lower to mid 40s. And right now we are still looking at a lot of 40s out there, including 43 in Wautoma and 41 degrees in Oshkosh. In Appleton, we're looking at setting sunshine, otherwise clear skies and 43. You can see that setting sun right now out of our Green Bay Tower cam. Winds are still gusting up to around 25 miles per hour, but once again earlier today they were close to 40 miles per hour. We had some scattered mixed showers during the morning, some sleet reported in the Appleton area, and then rain showers during the afternoon. That activity has now come to an end, but if we look upstream, there is some more snow across far northern Minnesota, and that activity will kind of clip the northern part of the viewing area late tonight into tomorrow morning in the form of some isolated rain or snow showers, and that's developing ahead of our next weather maker, which is a warm front. That warm front is going to bring much warmer weather back into central and eastern Wisconsin by tomorrow afternoon with very gusty winds. You can see we've got wind advisories all over the place. South and west of Wisconsin today, south and west of that warm front, temperatures were in the 50s and 60s. And yes, we're going to tap into some of that warmth by tomorrow afternoon with westerly winds gusting between 45 and 55 miles per hour. I think high temperatures across the southern part of the viewing area will be in the lower to mid 50s. Across the north, it will be cooler, but still above normal with temperatures in the low to mid 40s. The record high tomorrow is 54 degrees. It is certainly within reach. Skycast shows some scattered showers, initially rain, and then going over to snow as the afternoon turns into the evening. A strong cold front is going to drop south from Canada. We will see lots of sunshine on Saturday, which would make you think that March is coming in like a lamb with lots and lots of sunshine, but temperatures will be in the 20s and wind chills will be in the single digits below zero by Saturday morning. So I'm saying that March 2025 is coming in like a llama. All right, your forecast for tonight, some mixed showers across the north. Overnight lows in the lower 30s early and then actually climbing towards daybreak. Tomorrow, windy, very windy in fact, with a few showers out there. High temperatures will range from the lower 40s north to the mid 50s south. My 3-degree guarantee is 52. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Child Care Resource and Referral. And we did that today. I forecast a high of 45. The high temperature was 43 degrees. Lots of sunshine on Sunday, quiet, a little bit warmer. Increasing clouds on Monday with some showers late, and then a big system moves in for Tuesday and Wednesday with the threat for rain and then some snow.